Hello friends, today's topic Virat Kohli backed Go Digit Insurance IPO in market premium 24% question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Go Digit General Insurance IPO. About the company, started in December 2016 by Kamlesh Goyal. It's a Bangalore-based company. Go Digit General Insurance Limited is an insurance company that offers motor insurance, health insurance, travel insurance, property insurance, marine insurance, liability insurance, and other insurance products. As of 31st December 2023, company had about 61,972 partners, that means agents. It operates through 75 offices across India and has distribution centers in 24 states and union territories in India. In February 2020, Virat Kohli invested rupees 2 crores in the company to buy 2,66,667 equity shares for rupees 75 apiece. Anushka Sharma bought 66,667 equity shares at the same price, investing rupees 50 lakhs in the company. Virat Kohli is also the brand ambassador of the company. At the current IPO issue price, Virat Kohli has multiplied his money by around 3.6 times in around 4 years. However, he will not be selling his stake in the IPO. Originally, the IPO was planned in 2022. However, Go Digit's IPO hit multiple hurdles over compliance issues which delayed approval for the public offer. SEBI had returned the draft offer document twice as the regulator raised concerns over the shares issuance. Go Digit General Insurance Financials 31st March 2021, total revenue 3,243 crores, profit after tax minus 123 crores. 31st March 2022, total revenue in crores 5,267, profit after tax minus 295 crores. 31st March 2023, it has gone into green, total revenue 7,243 crores, profit after tax rupees 36 crores. Strengths of the company. Number one, it's mainly an online-based insurance company and hence it is easy for customers to take their products. Number two, it offers customized products. Three, it streamlines processes, offers paperless solutions and introduces innovative products to automation which help it to provide policies quicker than traditional insurance companies. The risk. Number one, it faces daughter competition from much larger companies in the general insurance segments such as ICICI Lombard, HDFC Ergo, SBI General Insurance, etc. 2. Go Digit General Insurance faces uncertain future prospects. 3. The company's operating results are volatile with fluctuating profit and loss figures and low operating profit ratios. It indicates operational instability. The objectives of the IPO to expand its existing business activities, to enjoy the benefits of listing shares on the stock exchanges and to provide partial exit route for earlier investors. Peer comparison valuation. ICICI Lombard P ratio 43, Star Health 37, New India Assurance P ratio 39, Go Digit General Insurance at issue price 663, means very expensive. IPO issue information, face value rupees 10 per share, issue price 258 to 272, current grey market premium 65 rupees, that is plus 24%, expected listing price based on the current GMP or grey market premium 337. IPO issue information, total IPO size 2,615 crores, fresh issue 1,125 crores. Sale of shares by existing promoters and investors, offer for sale 1,490 crores. IPO lot size and investment, minimum 1 lot, shares 55, amount 14,960. Maximum the retail investors can apply is lots 13, shares 715, amount 1,94,480 rupees. Pre-issue shareholding 83.31%, Post-issue shareholding, the promoters, data not available. IPO quota, qualified institutional buyers 75%, retail investors 10%, high net worth and non-institutional investors 15%. Bid offer opens on 15th May and offer closes on 17th May. Finalization of allotment 21st May. Initiation of refunds 22 May. Credits of shares to demat account 22nd May. IPO shares listing date 23rd May 2024. As of now, grey market premium is 24%. We need to see how the grey market premium will fluctuate in the coming days based on the overall stock market sentiment. End of the video, here is a question. Are you planning to apply for this IPO? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.